Hi everybody, I'm Dave Azer and we're here at the Renaissance Hotel in Orlando, Florida for Empire Medical Training's weekend seminar. Empire Medical Training has been around for over 27 years and they are the worldwide leader in continuing medical education. And we're gonna walk you through this weekend seminar and let you know just how jam-packed this is. The depth and breadth of courses is second to none. You've got physicians, you've got dentists, you've got nurses, you've got nurse practitioners, you've got physician assistants. All kinds of medical professionals come here to learn as much as they can and get hands-on training that's going to benefit them as they move through and progress in their career. So spend some time with us, check it out, and see what you think. So it's Saturday morning and the attendees aren't here yet, but what's going on behind me is the Empire Medical Training management team is chatting with the faculty physicians just to kind of set the scene and talk about all the ways that they're going to add great value to the attendees and making sure that everybody here has a first-class experience. All right, we're getting pretty close to the start of today's event. As you can see over here, people are checking in. People have already checked in. They're getting their coffee. They got to get their caffeine going for the day. And there's going to be a lot of learning today, a lot of hands-on training. And throughout the day, we're going to be chatting with the attendees, chatting with the faculty, and finding out what makes this event so jam-packed. All right, check out this group behind me. They're getting ready to register and go in and experience all the things that the training has to offer. Let's just chat them up. Hey man, how are you?
Good, how are you?
What's your name?
My name is Pedro Fortes. I'm from Massachusetts.
Look how excited you are.
I'm excited.
What's your name?
I'm David Garisha.
David, first of all, your first name is perfect. Don't change it. Look at this group. Danielle, Kevin, Nisha, ready to just conquer the day. Oh, look how excited she is. She's so excited to talk. What's your name?
Jessica.
Hi, Jessica. How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm good. Tell me about what you think's going to happen in there, man.
Well, I'm here because I like how you guys train folks to do right for the patient. So I'm here to learn about injections to make sure that my patients are comfortable.
Danielle, anything specific that you're most excited to learn?
Probably the joint injections, steroid joint injections. I have been doing a lot of the courses, and I'm just trying to improve myself.
And I see that you're caffeinated, so you're ready.
I'm ready for the day.
Welcome and have a great time.
Thank you, appreciate it.
So right behind me is the complete Botox training level 1 class. Come check it out. What makes this class so unique and different than you might find in other places is that not only do the attendees listen and learn, but they actually get to do some hands-on injecting themselves. So check it out. The attendees are working on injecting. Okay, so I'm here with Stephanie and Anna, and Stephanie is a registered nurse, came here from Puerto Rico, and you brought a friend of yours. Tell us about that.
Well, Anna is a friend from Colombia. We just did the injections. I just got graduated.
Was this your first time injecting Botox?
This is my second training. I have done it before, but it's my first time doing Empire, and I loved it.
So be honest, how did you do?
Perfect, amazing.
Sounds great, congratulations. This is pretty cool. So Tatiana, who is one of Empire's lead instructors, is actually teaching some students. So let's push in and check it out.
All the patients will be through the curve 1 unit to 2 units, yes.
So another aspect that's pretty neat is if you'll notice that there are multiple instructors in the same room. So the attendees get to learn, in this particular case, 3 different stations in one room. And at each station, there's different techniques, there's different procedures, there's different types of instruction. So it's not just coming and learning from one practitioner, it's learning from multiple people, and each of them have their own modalities. All right, so this is pretty cool. Ashley here is a registered nurse, and she brought her sister, Jocelyn, and you're about to do something pretty cool and interesting to your sister.
Yeah, I've never done Botox before. Obviously, I'm a nurse, so I've done like injections like insulin and stuff like that, but I've never done Botox, so I'm very excited. It's my first time ever injecting.
Okay, and how do you feel? You're about to get injected.
I'm excited. I'm excited to let my sister the first time. I've never had Botox before.
All right, so never injected Botox and never had Botox. Who knows what's gonna happen? All right, so this is the before. We'll check back in on the after and see how it
See
goes.
how it goes.
Okay. Well, joining me is the president and founder of Empire Medical Training, Dr. Stefano Costantino, and the vice president of Empire Medical Training, Lorena Costantino, Yurick Lozano, the director of marketing, Riza Arias, the VP of operations. I'm with the dream team of pain management experts, the event management team right here. It's great to see both of you.
Yes, thank you. Nice to see you as well.
We know that these seminars are very hands-on. We know the education here is top-notch, but what are some of the other things that really make it out of this world?
This is something I'm very passionate about talking about because we've been doing this now for 27 years and we've trained over 175,000 practitioners, physicians, nurses, nurse practitioners, dentists, PAs, mid-levels.
We want to set people up for success. We want it to be reachable. We want to continue to grow this industry as it should be.
With marketing, it's about making sure that the users, or in this case, our attendees and students, really get the best experience and get the value at the end of the day.
Why is it so important that a student learns as much as they learn, as many different treatments as they learn in your training?
We do offer like 56 different courses, not just in aesthetics, but also anti-aging or wellness, functional medicine, and pain management. The patients out there are super busy, right? And if you just offer Botox or fillers, they're gonna maybe wanna do pediothreads because their best friend told them so. And if you don't offer it, they're gonna go to somebody else. You don't wanna refer your customers.
And I actually feel that one of the strengths of Empire is both the diversity of our students and the diversity of our faculty.
I like that you're able to get a lot of one-on-one attention. I hope that the students find that helpful for them as well.
I would definitely say to trust the process and believe in yourself. We are here to hold your hand every step of the way. The curriculum is made for you to start at the beginner level, but become a master.
So we're here with Pedro. We saw you a few hours ago when you were first checking in, and now you've come out of your joint extremity class. What'd you think of it?
Well, we're still in practice there, but so far I've been learning so much, new skills for my clients, and I love it.
We're here with Jose. He's the marketing manager for NavaClick, and the first question is this a functional syringe?
Well, it's functional for marketing purposes.
Let's talk about your experience being a vendor with Empire Medical Training. How has that been for you?
Well, I've been in the aesthetic space now for 27 years. As 10 years as a CEO with this company, Empire is a fantastic resource for us, not only to network with new up-and-coming med spas, but then also look at the newest education.
Certainly Empire does a good job of bringing in a lot of vendors that have a lot of the newer technologies.
I love coming to the trainings. We meet wonderful people. The staff is always very helpful, very kind.
There's no better way you're going to get more business than something like Empire Medical Training.
Do you ladies offer discounts to Empire members?
We do, yes. We offer a discount, and as long as you were an Empire member, it doesn't have to be necessarily this weekend, but if you see us at a future show, we'd be happy to help you.
We give you the automated marketing module, which gets hundreds of 5-star Google reviews and unlimited one-on-one training sessions. The Empire forms are built into our software. We help you configure your database. That usually is an add-on, but it's free for Empire members.
It's about a $20,000 discount off the purchase price of the equipment, depending on which piece of equipment it is, but we also offer 0% financing, which no other company is doing right now. So that's definitely a great resource.
Everyone here, all vendors, we do put together specific deals and even ambassador programs.
You guys are fantastic. You've become a second family to me and to my family, and it's just a joy to come to these events.
Okay, we did it before. Now it's time for the after. First, I'll start with the how was it?
It was amazing. I'm very proud of my sister.
How do you think it went?
I think it went great. I think that like finding the depth of each of the like needle spots and like each part of the muscle is very different, and doing it for the first time, you didn't like know how deep to go and like what angle, but I feel like with the doctor like right behind helping, I feel like it went well.
I hope you enjoyed this look at Empire Medical Training, and thank you for spending the weekend with us. We pretty much had you here from start to finish at this seminar. We've spoken to attendees, we've spoken to faculty, senior leadership, operations, marketing, event management, and more. And if you have more questions, just go to empiremedicaltraining.com.